Good morning, one and all. The last class we were discussing about the earth movements and the seasons. So last class already we learned about rotation and revolution. Yes or no? Rotation means the movement of the earth on its own axis. Because of rotation we are having days and nights. It takes 24 hours for one rotation. Revolution means the movement of earth around the sun. Because of that we are having seasons. Now here today we are going to discuss about different types of crops which we are cultivating or in which area. Already you might have studied about what is equator, what is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, North Pole and South Pole. So in different areas, as we are having the continents, in different continents are having different temperature and different climate. Time also will be different. This all happens because of this rotation and or because of this revolution. Now suppose we are thinking about the crops what is being cultivated in our area. Two main are Kharif and Rabi seasons, okay? So paddy, one of the main items which we are cultivating in our surrounding areas. Paddy is cultivated in Kharif season, that is mainly October to November. Rabi season is in winter season, March to April. So the different, according to the season, the crops also will be changed because the climate will be different. The temperature will be different and each and every crop may not be able to catch the same temperature. Okay, now Indian climate, if we are looking about Indian climate, the climate of India will be different, entirely different from some other countries like Australia or like England or America. Why? Because we are having tropical monsoon climate. Okay, Indian climate is basically known as tropical monsoon climate because monsoons play very important role in our Indian climate. Monsoons means the movement of winds or the rain, which way it is coming or which season, what is happening. This all depends on monsoon. That's why India is having monsoon type of climate. If we are taking during summer season, the sun's rays fall directly in our area and we are having a low pressure belt. Okay, because of the direct rays which comes, sun's rays comes to our area, that is in summer season. That's why India is too hot during summer season. Especially in some areas above 40 degrees Celsius hot will be there. That all happens because sun's ray fall directly in our area. And the flowing of winds, already you know winds are always flowing from high pressure area to low pressure area. So that happens because of the monsoon type of climate. So the three main seasons what we are having is rainy season, winter season and summer season. One season after the other it will be following. But nowadays the climate changes is disastrous or catastrophic type of changes. We cannot say what happens because rainy season there may not have rain. Summer season there may have rain because this all happens because of global warming. Okay, global warming means unusual increase in the temperature. Different kinds of temperature will be moved because that all happens because of different kinds of pollution. Okay, next coming. In an older type of way, we are having 6 seasons. Okay, the names are Vasantam, Grishma, Varsha, Sarad, Hemandam, and Sisiram. These are the 6 seasons of Indian climate. So we will go through the 6 seasons of Indian climate. Okay, what is the first one? Vasanta. Vasanta, the time period of Vasanta is mid-March to mid-May. Okay, that means March middle to May middle, we are having the season Vasanta. These seasons are according to the Indian climate. Okay, another country they may not have the seasons. As we always is monsoon type of climate. According to the climate, Indian climate, we are dividing the seasons. The first one is Vasantam, mid March to May. Next, Grishma. The second one is Grishma, mid-May to mid-July. Okay, mid-May to mid-July we are having the season Grishma, and the third one is Varsha. The name itself we can say Varsha means rain. Okay, which time to mid-July to mid-September. Mid-July to mid-September. Okay, so the season Varsha, mid-July to mid-September. The fourth one is Sarad. Mid-September to mid-November. Mid-September to mid-November. And the fifth one is Hemandam, occur mid-November to mid-January. Hemandam, mid-November to mid-January. And the last season is Sisiram, mid-January to mid-March. Mid-January to mid-March. Okay, these are the 6 seasons of our Indian climate. Okay, Vasantam, mid-March to mid-May, Grishma, mid-May to mid-July, Varsha, mid-July to mid-September, Sarad, mid-September to mid-November, Hemandam, mid-November to mid-January, and Sisiram, mid-January to mid-March. This is only for our India, as we are having the monsoon type of climate. our seasons are changed into 6 important seasons. Okay. Okay, next. In different time, different kinds of climate we are having. Summer season, when it is too hot, what happens? When it is too cool, what happens? When it is too rainy, what happens? So different changes will be there. For example, suppose summer. In summer season, I already told you the temperature is very hot. And in some times the temperature sometimes reaches 45 degree. Okay. So the variation we are discussing about when it is summer, when it is rainy, when it is winter. So in summer season it is too hot and sometimes the temperature reaches 45 degree. And the rainfall occur in this season sometimes. You might have seen, usually we are having rain from May last or June last, June, July, August, September, during that period. That is usually described as rainy season. But in summer season also you can see sometimes in May, at that time, April, May, at that time we may get a rain. So in summer season, usually it is very hot and sometimes the temperature reaches above 45 degree. And sometimes there will be rainfall also. Sometimes, okay, some rainfall occurs. Another specialty of summer season is it happens to the plants and trees and animals. Okay, summer season it is very horrible, and sometimes the trees will be totally without water and everything, no leaves, something such situations will come. And animals, they may not be able to live according to the too humidity, such conditions. So different way it is affecting. Next season, coming to rainy season. In this season already you know we are receiving a lot of rain. Temperature will be low. Total variation from summer to rain. Because of the rain, you know, summer season I told you the plants, trees, grass, everything will be dried. Leaves all will not be there. Soon after the rainy season starts, there will be new leaves, greenish and everything. Within 1 or 2 or 3 rains after, we can see all the dried ones becoming greenish color. Okay, that is the main plus point. In this season we have received heavy rainfall and temperature is low. We can see evergreen cattle are with abundant feed. Okay, different kinds of evergreen means greenish will be always in our surroundings, and cattle food, the food which that means grass like that food can be more for the cattle, animals and everything. Water will be abundant. And also our groundwater level will be becoming more because of this rain. Okay. Now coming to winter season. In this season we feel very cool. Almost most of the people you can see wearing sweater during winter season. Okay, season by season the clothes what we wear also will be different. In lower classes you might have studied. Summer season when it is too hot, we prefer more cotton clothes because that will be comfort for to get away from the hot. And in summer season we should never wear black color clothes because the heat will be more absorbing. So season to season the variation will be there in our lifestyle, in our dress style, everything. Okay, so now we were discussing about winter season. Winter season, as I told, if you are coming to the dress, most of us are using different kinds of sweater which is made up of wools because we may feel too cool. And another one very thing, temperature will be very low. Snowfall will be having more in nights. Yes or no? Even okay, 7:30 or after there will be different kinds of snow or dew will be there. Early morning if you get up you can see the greenish leaves will be having water drops, that is known as dew, different kinds of water vapor. Okay, so these are the main 3 seasons which we are having in our Indian climate. What I wrote, that is related to monthly, in our 12 months we have divided into 6, okay, apart from that all. This is the main 3 seasons, summer, rain and winter. Once again when we come through the summer season, I told you it will be very hot and sometimes the average temperature goes above 45 degree. That's why summer season most of us will never be liking to go outside, especially mid noon time or 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 at that time it will be too hot because the temperature is increasing more and more. The trees, plants, everything, their leaves, everything will be gone, that will get dries and it will affect the life of not only human beings but animals also, plants, trees, everything. Summer. Coming to rainy season, soon after the summer season it starts rainy season. During the rainy season we can see the temperature becomes some low comparing to summer season. Then because of that rain all our surrounding trees, plants, everything will become greenish and there will be abundant food for animals also, as we will be able to grow different kinds of crops. Coming to winter season, the temperature will be very cool. Night there will be falling of snowfall and the temperature also will be very low. Okay, these are the main 3 seasons which we are having in our Indian climate. So climate to climate there will be variation. Summer variation will be different from winter. Winter will be different from rainy. But nowadays Indian Meteorological Department, okay, IMD, Meteorological Department means the department which is predicting about our climate. In your mobile you can see sometimes in Sidanagaram it may rain by 2 o'clock or it will be cloudy, or Sidanagaram temperature, the area which we are having in mobile, it will show the place and the temperature also. This all happens because of the meteorological department. But nowadays what is happening means because of the variation in our climate, what the meteorological department predicts, it may happen or may not happen. They may predict that this day morning there will be rain like that. There may not be. It will be fully sunny. Or sometimes they may say that this day will be totally sunny. That day there will be rain. This all is happening because of the variation that happens in our temperature. This all happens because of the global temperature is increasing more. That all because of the pollutions which we are having in our surroundings. Air pollution, water pollution or sound pollution, different. Because of this pollution and everything, what is happening? The global temperature will be becoming more and different kinds of variations will be happening. Okay. So whatever we discussed in this class, just go through that and get into your mind and revise that 1 or 2 times and get well prepared for the next class. Okay. Stay safe, stay home. Don't go outside, stay healthy. Okay, thank you.